Okay, so we've got question 46, and we've got Anna and Ben are participating in a running exercise in an empty open field. They both start at point X, but we're told Anna runs for 270 metres on a bearing of 0.68 and reaches point A. Ben runs for 190 metres on a bearing of 137 and reaches B at the same time that Anna reaches A. So we have to calculate the shortest distance between Anna and Ben, and it's the crow flies distance. So what we want to do is we'll label this A, label this B, and label this X. And the shortest distance that we want to find is going to be this. But if we know that the bearing from X to A is 0.68, this angle is 68 degrees, and this angle in red is 137. So the angle that I'm going to shade in green is the angle X, and that's 137 minus 68, and angle X is 69 degrees. We don't have to put a 0 in because this is not a bearing, it's just the size of the angle. So trigonometry convention is small x is the side opposite angle x, small b and small a. So what do we know? We know angle x is the green one, is 69. We also know small b, the side, and we know small a, and we want to find this side. Now we know two sides and we know the angle in between those two sides, and we want to find the third side, so we can use the cosine rule. And it's given to you on the equation sheet, but you have to modify this a bit because you're not looking to find side A, it's side X, and you know angle X, so you have to modify a bit. So that is what we use, and we have to then find the side X. So you want to then substitute the numbers in. So A is BX, it's 190. XA is small b, and that is 270 squared. Take away 2 multiplied by 190 multiplied by 270 multiplied by the cosine of 69. You want to be really cautious and careful of two things. The first is body mass, the second is degrees. I go on about it in my videos, but use degrees, not radians. I want to capture as many decimal places as possible because you don't want to round off too early. I did National 5 Physics, and that was one of the things I lost marks on in physics, and they're very strict about in physics is if you're in the middle of a question and asks you to either round to a certain number of significant figures, you have to keep any intermediate answers, anything you find in the middle of the question, to more significant figures than you need, because it will alter the final answer significantly. So doing that is 72,231.448376. Taking the square root to get x, we'll call this AB. In fact, we won't just yet. And that is the small x, or AB. That's the crow flies distance. But I want to round this off, and are we told to round anything? We're not, but I'm going to give it to the nearest meter. So I'm going to say 269. So we'll say 269 meters to 3 significant figures. And that's us finished. So I hope you found this video useful, and best of luck with the studying. Thanks for watching.